In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use version history in Lovable. Understanding version history is essential for anyone who frequently edits and updates projects. It allows you to track changes, manage different versions of your work, and importantly, reverse any unwanted changes that may have been made. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to make the most out of this feature. First, head over to your Lovable dashboard. You'll want to locate the All Projects button on the left side of your screen. Clicking on this will give you access to a list of all the projects you've been working on. This is a convenient starting point as it neatly organizes your projects, making it easier to access the one you're interested in. Once you're on the All Projects page, you need to select the specific project that you'd like to explore past versions of. Simply click on the project's name and it will bring you to the main project interface. It's this easy accessibility that makes project management straightforward within Lovable. Now that you're within your chosen project, keep an eye out for the View History option. This is represented by a small clock-like icon. It's commonly located at the top of the project view page. Clicking this icon will reveal the project's version history. This section is where the real magic happens, as it provides a detailed log of all past versions, including who made changes and when. When viewing the list of versions, take your time to identify the specific version you're interested in reverting to. Each entry in the version history has metadata, including the timestamp and details of what changes were made. Understanding these details can assist you in choosing the right version to revert back to. After selecting the desired version, you'll see options to manage these versions. Here, you'll find undo or revert actions associated with the version you've chosen. Clicking on the corresponding arrow icon will initiate the reverting process. This is a crucial step as it allows you to roll back to the previous state of your project with minimal hassle. Finally, to confirm your action, click on the Revert button. This action will effectively restore the selected version, undoing any changes made after that point. It's a simple yet powerful tool in ensuring you maintain control over your project's development. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on using version history in Lovable. Remember, understanding and utilizing this feature effectively can significantly enhance your workflow. Whether you're recovering from simple mistakes or complex changes, version history provides the flexibility and control needed to efficiently manage your projects. So, experiment with it and see how it can improve your project management. Thanks for joining me today, and happy editing!